The affiliate marketing lie, why it's not passive income. Episode 3 of my multi-video series. Affiliate marketing is sold as easy passive income, but in reality, it's a tough game where most people make little to nothing. Let's break down the truth. They told you affiliate marketing is passive income. They lied. Here's why it's a trap. If you think affiliate marketing is the easy path to financial freedom, you're in for a rude awakening. Stick around because I'm going to break down why affiliate marketing doesn't work the way they say it does and what you should be doing instead. Affiliate marketing is not passive income. It's highly competitive, low paying, and controlled by companies that can change the rules whenever they want, anytime. You don't own your income or customers. Affiliate marketing means relying on other people's products, platforms, and decisions. One, the company can cut your commission anytime. Most affiliate programs change their payout structure without warning. Amazon cut their affiliate commissions by over 50% in 2020, overnight. Thousands lost their income. You're working hard to sell their products, but they control your paycheck. Two, you're building their business, not yours. Every time you refer a customer, that buyer belongs to the company, not you. They can remarket to them and sell more products while you only get paid once. You're just a middle person, making them rich while you struggle for scraps. Three, no control over product, price, or delivery. If the company raises prices, you lose customers. If they change their website or policies, your conversions drop. One algorithm change and your traffic will just disappear. If this is opening your eyes, drop a fire sign in the comments. Next, let's talk about the biggest issue, getting traffic. Traffic is a never-ending struggle. Affiliate marketing is not passive because you have to keep finding new buyers. Paid ads eat up profits running ads to promote affiliate products. Congrats, you're paying to sell for someone else. You could spend $500 on ads to make $600, but after costs, you're left with nothing. That's why most affiliate marketers quit before they ever make money. SEO, search engine optimization, and organic traffic take years to build ranking on Google or YouTube. That takes months, if not years. Even if you get there, one algorithm change can wipe out your entire business and all you've done. You're always chasing the next strategy, hoping it still works. Social media is unpredictable. Posting on TikTok and Instagram daily, that's not passive income. One shadow ban or account suspension and your income wipes out and disappears. If you're relying on free traffic, you're on borrowed time. If this sounds exhausting, you're right. But the biggest problem is still ahead. How little you actually earn. Low payouts make it impossible to scale. Affiliate commissions are so low, you have to sell a lot to make a decent income. Small commissions equal lots of work for little pay. A $50 product with a 10% commission, you just made $5. You need to sell 1,000 plus products a month just to make a decent income. Compare that to businesses where you keep 100% of the profit. High ticket affiliate programs equal fewer buyers. Yes, some programs offer big commissions, but they require huge effort to sell. A $2,000 product with a 30% commission sounds great, but how many people will actually buy? You're stuck convincing people to spend thousands. Not easy. Passive income? More like active hustle. Affiliate marketing is sold as set it and forget it, but it's anything but that. You're constantly creating content, running ads, and chasing new buyers. That's not passive income. That's just another job. Now that you know why affiliate marketing isn't truly passive, don't waste years chasing small commissions. In the next episode, I'm exposing the struggles of being a virtual assistant and why it's not the dream people think it is. Stop working for companies that take most of the profits. If you want real financial freedom, you need a business where you keep 100% of what you earn. My next episode, why virtual assistants struggle to make a living. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because tomorrow's video is going to change the way you see online business forever. Want a real online business that pays you first? Grab my free guide. It's in my site. Go to the link, put in your email. It's free and get access and learn more. The worst business is one where you work the hardest and get paid the least. Stay tuned, subscribe for many more valuable and informative videos coming daily as I'm wanting to educate and teach you what there is to know. Thank you. Stay tuned.